Hey there, Brain Warriors. Welcome back. Today's question. I struggle when eating at restaurants. I love bread. Welcome to the club. Everybody loves bread. I will tell you why in a moment. I've lost 115 pounds. Holy cow, that is awesome. And kept it off for 10 years. Okay, well, congratulations. Just can't get past this last 20. Okay, several things. Got to address this. First of all, celebrate that 115. The fact that you've kept it off for 10 years is amazing. So this is not a short-term thing for you. It obviously wasn't a diet. You obviously made just a total mindset shift, which I love. But I want you to change your language. Can't get past this last 20. Your subconscious does not have a sense of humor. So got to change that. You can get past that last 20. Your body is not more powerful than your mind. But let's talk about the bread for a minute. Everyone's addicted to bread. Sadly, restaurants know it. Why do you think they serve it? Okay, so I want you to think one thing. First thing off the bat, make one decision, not 30. Don't let them bring it to your table. So I love bread. I'm completely okay, if they bring it to the table, I have to make 30 decisions. Should I? Shouldn't I? Should I? Shouldn't I? Of course I should. No, you shouldn't. And I'm going back and forth. And pretty soon, there's the butter, and I'm slathering the butter. Within 10 minutes, I'm in the corner slathering butter all over my body, and I'm having a full-blown affair with the bread. Right? We don't want to do that. Make one decision. Don't let the devil in the door. Right? Don't let them leave the bread on the table. One decision, not 30. That's the first thing. The more sugar you eat, the more you will crave. Bread is sugar. It instantly turns to sugar in your system. Instantly. So does rice, so does pasta. It's why it's so addictive. The other thing is it makes you feel good almost instantly. The problem is it also gives you diabetes, right? And puts weight on you. So it's like a drug. It makes you feel that it literally is like a drug because it actually has a substance in it, right? That's inside of the gluten that breaks down in your gut. It actually breaks down. Once it digests, it goes through the blood-brain barrier, attaches to actually attaches in the brain to the same part of the brain where cocaine and morphine attach. No joke. So it's addictive. It's truly addictive. That was very simplified, but just explaining to you why it's so addictive. That's why it makes you feel good. That and the simple carbs. The simple carbs just give you this that just felt so good, right? And that's why you want it. You're not alone. So just don't let them leave it. The more you eat it, the more you will crave it. The less you eat it, the less you crave it. It will take you about a week. After about a week, you'll get over it, right? It's worth it. The 115 pounds, tell me that wasn't worth it. It was worth it. Do a little work, be a warrior. That's why we call you brain warriors, because you're in a war. So be armed, prepared, aware, so you can avoid the fight. But if you have to fight, fight. And the first thing you do to win the fight, don't let them leave it on the table. The other thing is, regarding the last 20 pounds, if you've lost 115 pounds and kept it off that long, it's time for you to get reassessed. I'd go get your blood work done because if you're struggling with those last few pounds, we would want to reassess you. You should be getting reassessed every 6 months, definitely every minimum of a year. So I want to know what your vitamin D is. I want to know what your thyroid is doing. I want to know what your omega-3 fatty acids are. Those 3 things will change your life if they're low. So if your thyroid's low, you're going to be hungry all the time and tired. If your vitamin D is low, how easy is that? Take some vitamin D. You'll be hungry all the time. You're at increased risk not only for cravings, but for diabetes, cancer, heart disease, depression, all these things, just from vitamin D. Same with fish oil. Okay, so just a little bit of omega-3 fatty acids can change your life. So it's just that simple, those simple things. If you are deficient in certain nutrients, it can be very challenging for you. So go get your numbers checked. Make sure that you are healthy and that you are, even if you're healthy, make sure you're optimized. We don't want you normal. We want you optimal. Hopefully that makes sense. No one wanted to have a C in school, right? That's average. We want you optimized. We want you hitting a home run all the time. The other thing is probiotics. Probiotics will dramatically help you if you're not taking them. Gut health is super important, especially when it comes to weight loss and for brain health. We've discovered that is the new thing on the horizon for brain health and for fighting depression, anxiety, all of these problems. Who knew, right? Gut health is critical to brain health. It's critical to cravings. It's critical to all of these things, is having a healthy gut. So hopefully that was helpful. Pay attention, be a brain warrior, be proactive. Don't wait till you get sucker punched. So if you'd like a free copy of the Brain Warrior's Way cookbook, leave me a message at tanaamen.com in the contact page. We're going to do a weekly drawing and a giveaway. So leave me a question as well as your information. And if you get chosen and you're within the US, we're going to send you a gift. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And right to the right of that is a little bell. If you want to be notified when your questions are answered, hit that bell and you'll hear it every time. Thanks.